Nighttime vlogging in Nashville. Yes, we are out of Chicago now. So, it is a thing. We're out of Chicago. So, we're in Nashville. Wally music in the background because why the heck not? Cars, people yelling, all the things. And we're using the gimbal, which is why we have such smooth video quality. See, look at how smooth that was. And we are on top of the roof of the Airbnb we're staying in. And look, where is it? It's the city of Nashville. Quite beautiful. It's so fantastic. This is the beginning of the vlog. Stay tuned.
It's like we're in New Orleans Square in Disneyland. I mean, look at how immersive this is. This is just in a hotel, like, atrium. Look at how immersive this is. Usually there's a bunch of shops and such, but of course Corona has closed some of the shops just due to social distancing and such, but you can still do quite a lot in this fantastic hotel atrium. And, of course, they have the Opry shop, since this is the Gaylord Palms at Opryland.
Holy moly, it's the end of the vlogs for this trip. We are back from Nashville, back from our vacation. We have been for quite a while, actually, which is why I started uploading these videos. And tomorrow, we actually have a kind of part 2 of this Nashville vlog, which is going to just be the boat ride inside the Opryland Hotel that we rode. So that'll be tomorrow. So you can watch that and get more of a feel for our time at the Opryland Hotel, because it was a very, very cool, beautiful hotel, and the boat ride really showed that off a lot better than I did in just the normal footage that I captured while I was in the hotel. But it's going to be fantastic, and it's going to be tomorrow. So until then, subscribe, like, and as always, be positive.